Example 24, solve the system of linear inequalities and give an example of one solution, an example of one non-solution. So the first inequality is in proper form. The second one, however, has to be in slope-intercept form. We have to get it in slope-intercept form first before we do anything. So I'm going to subtract 8x on both sides of 7y is less than or equal to negative 8x minus 49. Divide everything by 7. So I have y is less than or equal to negative 8/7 x minus 7. Okay, so let's graph this green line. So slope is negative 8/7 and my y-intercept is negative 7. So I start my graph at negative 7 on the y-axis, and my slope tells me to go down 8 to the right 7. So I go down 8 to the right 7, and then to extend the line even further I have to go up 8 to the left 7. Alright, so let's figure out what type of line I have. I look at my inequality symbol. Since it's less than or equal to, that equal to tells you that the line is a solution also. So I need a solid line. Alright, I do the same thing with the other equation. I have x is less than or equal to negative 7. We know that this is a vertical line at negative 7. Alright, and then looking at the inequality symbol, it's less than or equal to. So my line here will also be solid. Okay, so now I have to do some shading. We'll start with the blue line. So I'm plugging in the origin, the 0, 0 point, to see if I shade to the right, which includes the 0, 0 point, or to the left of the blue line. So I have 0 is less than or equal to negative 7. 0 is not less than or equal to negative 7, so I can't shade the side that includes 0, 0. I have to shade the opposite, which is the left side. So I'm shading everything to the left of the blue line. Okay, I do the same thing to the green line. I'm plugging in the origin to see if I shade to above the green line or below the green line. So I plug in 0 is less than or equal to negative 8/7 times 0 minus 7. So I have 0 is less than or equal to negative 8/7 times 0 is 0. So 0 minus 7 is negative 7. And 0 is not less than negative 7, so I can't shade above. I can't shade the side that includes the 0. I have to shade the opposite side, which is to the left or below the line. Okay, so I'm shading everything below the green line. And my solution is where the two colors overlap in this dark blue area. So my solution is in the dark blue area. And I can pick any point in the dark blue area on the lines, on both of the lines. So for example, a solution could be negative what is that, negative 11, 2. So anything in this area right here is a solution. And then for my non-solution, it's everything in the light blue, in the pink, and then the white. So you can pick any point really. So like for example, this point right here is not a solution. So it's at negative 7, 11. And it's not a solution, even though it's on the line, it's not a solution because it's not in the dark blue area. So all of this is not a solution.